How to open American Express savings account. Now, for you to be able to have a wider range of options and then a wider view of those options to opening up an account with American Express, all I have to do is just to use your laptop or PC. You can also use your mobile device, but I preferred using your laptop. Now from here, I just have to pull up your preferred web browser. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. And once you access your preferred web browser, just simply head to American Express. Now we are going to open up a savings account with American Express by Google. Now, after searching for American Express, all I have to do is choose on the American Express official website, americanexpress.com, and you will be routed to this page right here. So to open up an account, just simply go ahead and click this icon right here. But before you do, you'll have to take note of these features that you will be getting once you pull up an account. So you can easily move money online, no monthly fees, interest compounds daily, and they also have 24/7 customer support. So to start, just simply click on open an account. Now from here, all you have to do to make an account with Americans Express Savings is you just have to create an account with the website first. So if you haven't have any account yet, just simply click on create new account. Now there is going to be four fields for you to be able to successfully create an account. This is going to be your info, your tax withholding, terms and conditions, and then this is the time where you deposit your funds or money. So just fill out these general informations like your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, date of birth, phone number, the phone type, and then make sure that you do have your social security number or ITIN. Now, you also need to have your email address for confirmation. Take note that the email address that you're trying to add here will be the ones that is active and working. So once everything is set, you'll be then routed to the tax withholding page. Then after that, you'll route be to terms and conditions, and that's the time that you can add money. So that's how easy and quick you can open an account with American Express Savings.